This is the baby booby. She's trying to roll over. She might make it today. Are you trying to roll over, baby? Jane Jane, come on. Boop. Jane Jane. Jane Jane. What's the baby doing? What's that baby doing? He's trying to roll over. What a silly baby. You can't roll over yet. You're still too little. No, Mama, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do it, Mama. I'm gonna do it. Are you gonna do it? Come on, baby booby. Roll, baby booby, roll. Boop, boop. Boop. Come on, baby booby. Stretch those legs. Stretch those legs. Boop. Boop. What are you doing? Jane Jane. What are you doing? You want Mommy to help you? You want Mommy to help you? Roll it over. There she is. There's that baby. There she is. There's that baby. She rolled over with a little help. With a little help from the mommy. You took a little work. What are you doing? You trying to lift your head? You trying to crawl? You can't crawl until you can lift your body, silly Willy. Kick those legs. You can't crawl until you can lift your body, silly. Silly. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? We see you. you trying to do? Huh? Trying to sit up. You're not even trying. You're not even trying very hard. You're just sucking on your hands. What a silly. What a silly Mimi. Lift that head. Lift that head, baby boo. Ooh. Uh-oh. 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 Ooh. Wiggling. Wiggling up. Not quite crawling. Get the wiggles down. That baby wants to be on the move. Yes, she does. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, okay. Let's go back over here. All right, it's time to pick up the baby.